This is the school I graduated from. I'm kind of a legend around here. What's up, man?
I don't know you.
Self-defense. It's about knowing your strengths and your opponent's weaknesses. It's about stamina, discipline, and never letting your guard down.
Shouldn't we be wearing boxing gloves?
Does anybody wear boxing gloves in a street fight? Also, there's a $5 glove rental fee. Now let's get it on.
I don't want to fight.
Too late. You're in a fight, and you're already losing. You know why? You're off balance. And when you're off balance, you're open to one of these! Lucky shot.
I didn't do anything. How's this gonna help me make friends?
I see what you're doing. Mind games. Well, mind games are no match for one of these! All right, let's take a break. I'm sure this is a lot of information for you to absorb. I'm going to the vending machine. I'll bring you back one of these! Well, we've learned two things here today. You refuse to defend yourself, and I need to double up on my protein shakes.
I'm never gonna get any friends.
Now, is that kick me sign still on your back? Gimme that! School talent show. Huh.
What is it?
I think I just figured out a way for you to make some friends. A way for you to impress everyone and instantly become popular in a single dramatic moment.
You mean enter the talent show?
Oh, I was gonna say watch the talent show wearing a really cool jacket. But entering the talent show. That's a great idea! Wow, you're lucky I thought of it. Do you have any talents?
I could sing.
Ugh, no way. Singing's lame. Come on, we can come up with something better than that. Oh, wait, I forgot something. I give you one of these!